Hi there and welcome at Smully Art. In this week's video I'm drawing The Incredibles in my own style and I'm really looking forward to this one, so let's turn around the camera and let's start drawing. The Incredibles is a 2004 American computer-animated comedy superhero film about a family of superheroes who are forced to hide their powers after they arouse public concern. Set in a fictitious version of the 1960s, the film follows Bob and Helen Parr, a couple of superheroes known as Mr. Incredible and Elastigirl, who hide their powers in accordance with a government mandate and attempt to live a quiet life with their three kids, Violet, Dash and Jack-Jack, in the suburbs of Metroville. Mr. Incredible has super strength and Elastigirl is able to stretch such a long distance to reach places nobody else could. Since Mr. Incredible and Elastigirl have superpowers, Violet and Dash also have innate superpowers. Violet being able to create force fields and turn invisible, and Dash able to run at very high speeds. But the baby Jack-Jack has not yet to show any powers at all. Or has he? Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out some pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. Now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is... thinking time. Here we go. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys liked my drawing of The Incredibles, and tell me what franchise should I draw next. Let me know in the comment section. And if you liked the video guys, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you want to help me and this channel even more, please share this content on all your social media platforms. It would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend, my friends. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!